With nearly 150 passengers on board, the World Health Organization says the ship is set to continue to the Canary Islands.
It's changing by the hour, but what I know now is that the boat will be able to leave sometime in the middle of the night after the evacuation have been successfully happened, and then the boat can continue its route.
As of Tuesday, the WHO says 3 people who were on the ship have died. 1 has been evacuated for treatment, and there are 3 more suspected cases. Most of the time, hantavirus is spread through contact with rodent waste. The WHO says they have been informed there are no rats on board the ship. Human-to-human transmission is rare. However, health authorities say given that 2 of the deceased were a couple and shared a cabin, they say this kind of spread may have occurred.
And that's why we are operating and working with the ship to make sure that anyone who is symptomatic, anyone caring for patients is wearing full personal protective equipment.
At this point, the WHO has a working theory the initial infection did not happen on board.
And with the timing of the incubation period of hantavirus, which can be anywhere from 1 to 6 weeks, our assumption is that they were infected off the ship. It's not just the people who are on the ship that, of course, we are concerned about. We're also working with authorities for anyone that has left the ship.
Sequencing is being done by the National Institute for Communicable Diseases. The WHO says public health risk remains low. Katherine Ward, Global News, Toronto.